Let's hunt SSRF on this website. So I'll first show you on the lab website, then I will show you on live website. So testphp.vulnwev.com I have to open first. So basically for SSRF you have to look for any parameter that may have some kind of external interaction, or they can interact to external domain. So these are the possible parameters to hunt for SSRF, like dest equal to, redirect equal to, URI equal to, file equal to, document equal to, folder equal to. So if I have to find these many parameters, I have to spider the host. So I will spider this website, proxy, intercept is on, for drop, okay, right click, send to spider, yes, yes. So I spider, okay, no problem. So I have to search that many parameters. So Bobsuit Professional having a search option also. See this. I have to search for destination, redirect, URI, file, document, folder. So I'll search one by one. Bobsuit search dest equal to. Okay, I'm not getting anything. Redirect, maybe I'll get a redirect. Nothing. URI. Okay, I got URI. That's in scope only. Request header only, not any response. I'm not getting. URL. Okay, I got URL having. Where is URL? Okay, this is URL coding, no problem. I want some parameters. Okay, now I'll do file equal to. I got some file equal to something. See, I will send this to repeater now. I have to find a way that this domain is the testphp.vulnwev.com is interacting to someone else. So I'll show you a little bit in depth first. See, this is my website. If you will, this is just for test, okay, don't worry about that. If you will visit on this website, I have a log file that who requested my website, who visited my website. See this. I'm logging to my applications. I hope you cannot break this. Okay, so I have a database for log file analyzer. Okay, okay, log, visitors log. See this. If anyone will visit, I will get their IP address and which page they visited. See, if you will visit on hackerserver.com, let's see. Open. I will open the first. Now, let's say you are visiting contact us. So basically you visited /p/?mark page equal to contact. Let's check in my log files what happened there. See, you visited page equal to contact. See this, page equal to contact, and this is your IP address. So basically I visited, this is my IP address. Okay, so now if I will do here SSRF testing, let's example. See, I visited page equal to SSRF testing, and let's just reload this. See, you visited SSRF testing page now. Okay, what if I'll copy this URL, I'll go to repeater because I found the parameter there, and what if I will give this. Let's click on go. Okay, done. Now see, let's check my log files what happened there. I got one more SSRF testing but different IP, from the different IP address. See this. So basically this website is making a request to my websites. So this website is interacting to external domain. So there is a SSRF. I already told you, if so basically if a domain will interact to any other domain on behalf of you, then there is a SSRF. So on behalf of me, this website interacted to hackerserver.com. So let's confirm this, that this is interacting or not. So I have to find the IP address of this website. So I will open a terminal. I'll give ping space test php.vulnweb.com. See, this is 176.28.50.165. so basically, and check my log files. See, both are same IP address. So this IP address is making request to my website. That means I got to know that server is making request to third party. That means there is a SSRF, server-side request forgery. I think you understood the logic behind this SSRF. Now let's go little depth. But the very big challenge is you don't have a log file analyzer. Yes, then how can you check? The server is vulnerable server is making request to third party domain. For this only, I found a unique way to test this. Let's examples. Express vpn.com. What is my IP? Okay. See, okay, so if you are visiting this website, they are giving your IP address. If test PHP will visit this website, they will give test PHP IP address. If any.com will visit this website, they will give any.com website IP address. So that way you can identify the server is making request to third party or not. See this, if any.com will able to make request to this website, then this website will give me the any.com IP address, and that way we can identify the server is making request to ExpressVPN. That means they can make a request to anyone also. So let's do this now. See, I visited this website, I got 123, that's my IP address, and if I'll route this traffic through test PHP, let's see this, and search here your IP address, that's the syntax. Okay, see this, they are giving 176.2850.165, and I know this is this website IP address, testphp.vulnweb.com. So basically, the test PHP is making request to ExpressVPN. That means test PHP can make request to anyone. So that's a whole point. So I have to find any website is making request to third party or not. And we'll see exploitation parts later on. First, we'll see the identification of this. So I hope it's clear to you that how we supposed to identify SSRF vulnerability on live websites.